In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery on an iPhone and on an Android. The process is different on these platforms. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let's start with an iPhone. When we open up WhatsApp, first off, we need to head over to Settings, and then we need to get into Chats. That's where we can easily find the option which is called Save to Photos, and by default this option is enabled, and while it is enabled, every photo or video from any WhatsApp conversation is saved to your device's gallery. To stop auto-saving photos and videos or to your phone's gallery, just turn this option off. On an Android, when we open up WhatsApp, we need to tap right here at these three dots and then select Settings. On Settings, we need to get into Chats, and here the option is called Media Visibility. To stop saving photos from WhatsApp conversations to your WhatsApp gallery, just deactivate that option. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.